Hey y'all, it's Mary and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats and welcome to my channel. And I received some bags from the company Lasnv. I have shown some of their bags in the past and you might have seen other videos on YouTube from this company. There's such a huge array of bags that they have. They have from bags for little girls all the way up to the most beautiful evening bags, and then everything in between: daytime bags, nighttime bags, totes, and all kinds of bags. Their website is chock full. When they started out, they had less amount of stuff and they just really keep adding things all the time, wonderful things. So I did want to tell you before I forget that they have a sale going on. They have a store event right now that if you buy $50 or more, you'll save $6. And you can always use my discount code. My discount code is good forever, they say. It's for 5% off. You can use that on top of whatever's going on online. They said that you can superimpose the discounts. So if you spend more than $50, you get the $6 off. You use my code, you get another 5% off, which is CATS5OFF. And then if there's any other sale going on, you can get that discount as well. That's what they say right here in my email, that you can put those over each other, overlap them, and get the best discount possible. So they sent me 6 bags. They asked me to pick bags and I picked 6. And I'm going to do 2 videos. I'm going to have a part 1. This is part 1 and I'll have part 2. And this bag here is a dupe. So I don't know if it's okay to say what the dupe is, but this is the bag. And this comes in a dark green and this blue and white. I did choose white, but they ran out of the white, so they asked me if they could send me the blue or the green. I'm like, sure, whichever one is fine. This bag is, the very famous designer is Bottega Veneta. These bags run in the thousands, and this is $12.88. And now when I say that, sometimes their prices fluctuate a little bit by a few cents here and there, never very much, but it might go up a little bit, might go down a little bit. So let me show you this bag. It's super, super cute. Look at it, it's nice and structured. I took everything was in a bag, and I took everything out of the bags, but I left the insides, the stuffing in some of them just to show you. So to keep this shape, they had this little airbag in here, so that to keep the shape. Inside is also a shoulder strap. So the inside is just a good size, for your phone, your car keys, your lipstick, your hairbrush, things like that. And then it snaps with magnet snaps in the front like that. And you can carry it like this. This is how I would carry it. I love it. And it has this cute thing here. Let's well, I won't take it off. I'll leave it on there right now. Let's see what it looks like inside. When you open this up, again, a snap, a magnet snap, and just a little thing for your ID, or maybe 20 bucks or something like that. Your tickets to the movies or whatever. And you can take this off. You can see here, you can take that off if you'd rather not have it hanging from the bag, if you'd rather put it in the bag or put it in a different bag. And that is it there. The quilted bag is so cute. And then it does have a shoulder strap if you'd like to do that. And the shoulder strap is adjustable. So this has the same type of mechanism as the little purse, the little ID case. Okay, see how that's adjustable? You can adjust it to, and you can make this very, very long, or you could make it short. And then here are these little kinds of clips like that. And on the side, there are these nice gold rings. This has gold hardware on it. And then you can make this crossbody or put it over your shoulder. It goes right here. And there you go, over your shoulder like that. Or you can adjust it and make a crossbody so it's in front of you. I like a bag like this and crossbody for shopping because it leaves you hand-free. Traveling, it's right there in front of you so no one can grab it from you. And I also love just not using that strap and carrying it like this. If I'm going out to eat at a restaurant, I like something small that I can put on the table with me. Because if you put it on the back of your chair, someone may walk off with it. If you put it on the floor, you never know what can happen. So this kind of thing can sit on the table and it's not intrusive to your meal. So it's just the cutest thing, this quilting. And this one is a structured bag. Like I said, it is, it's gonna stay this shape. It doesn't squeeze down like some of the other bags, you know, you can make flat. So $12.88. And the green is very beautiful too, and the white as well. So that's the first bag, and that one is called Women's Shoulder Bag, Summer Purse, Fashion Designer, Leather Handbag. And I'll have all the links below for the bags that I'm showing you. And then you can, you know, go in, and they have many. If you don't like these, you will like something, because they have many. They have many. This is the next one I'm going to show you. This one is, and you know, they are, it's made to look like leather, but they're PU leather. Is that what it's called? Yeah, PU, but I don't know what that means. Poly something or other. So, but isn't that just the cutest? I just think that's so pretty. For summer too, I would even use this in the fall, and maybe even winter also. I think you could use this a lot. It's just adorable. And then this one is a crocodile style. I love a crocodile bag. I love a crocodile bag. This one is, it says, well, it says it's a shoulder tote. Casual zipper for daily shopping and leisure and travel. And this one's in green, and this was $6.89. See how this is not structured like the other. It's not like a harder case, but it has a strap that they just put inside for shipping. And inside, like the other one, there are no pockets in this one. It's just, you know, space in there to put your little things in. And it zippers. You've got your little pull tab here and the zipper. It zippers nicely. And then this, you could probably put that over your shoulder. I don't know, to me it's small for that, but you can. For protection, you can definitely do that. This is like a good one too for taking to a restaurant or to a movie. You can keep it right with you, you know. And it's just beautiful crocodile style. So there you have that one. And there is no shoulder strap for this one. I mean, as far as, not, this is said that this can be a shoulder strap. I would probably wear it like this on my arm, or just carry it like this. But you could use one of your straps from different bags, because you've got a nice loop here that you can add a strap to and then put it in front of you. You can make it a crossbody. But I love that green. Again, this is a color that you could wear definitely fall and winter. And I don't see anything wrong with carrying this in summer and spring as well. So that's a beautiful one. $6.89, y'all. Again, things might fluctuate a couple of pennies here and there. And then for this video, the last one I have is this bag here. And this is a nice big bag. This is, I love a big tote like this. This is called Retro Women Alligator Pattern Leather Shoulder Bag. It's a large handbag. This was $16.18, and look at how big it is. And again, that crocodile look. You know, one of my favorite brands of bags is Brahmin, and they have crocodile leather. So beautiful, beautiful. And here are the straps. And then it has this here. Now, you know, they put this on for protection, which I think, for as reasonable as these bags are, to have these extra added features is so nice. This keeps your brass tag from being scratched. It might take a minute to get it off of here. So let's move on. It has a nice, it's a nice deep bag. It is fully lined. It has a zipper pocket over here, a nice big zipper pocket for anything that you feel, you know, needs to be very private. And on the other side, there is just a pocket without a top to it, you know, that you can just slide your phone in. Whoops, it's here. Here it is. You can just slide your phone in, and it's nice and wide. It will fit any size phone, and it has a zipper on the top. And again, their pulls are very pretty. This is, you know, you hold on to this on the zipper, and then here's the pull with the gold colored trim on this bag, and it closes like this, very nicely closes. And again, it has a designer look to it. And I don't know if I can get this off. It might take me a minute. to yeah, it's on there real nice. I'll have to work at peeling that off. But then you'll have that gold look on the front if you want. If you don't like that, you know, you can take it off. But I think that's nice. It adds a little touch. It adds a little gourmet flair, so to speak. And I love this bag. This is the kind of bag I like. I use a tote every day. I carry a tote to and from work with all my stuff in it. And then if I need a little bag to go out to lunch or something, then I would have something like this with me as well. So this one, $16.18. I mean, you cannot beat these prices, y'all. They're wonderful. This one, $12.88. The almost, well, it depends on which one you get, but anywhere from $3,000 to $4,500 for the real one of that bag. And $6.89 for this cute little guy. Isn't that adorable? So thank y'all for stopping by. This is part 1. Come on and see part 2 when you have a minute. They'll be posted in a day or two. Thank y'all for stopping by and count your blessings. And thank you, Lasnv, for sending me these beautiful bags. They're just really, really, the pricing is fantastic. You know, they are nice bags, nice everyday bags or nice evening bags. And, you know, they're not leather, but for the price, you cannot beat them. Thank you so much and count your blessings. Bye-bye.